Hi friends, this is Soft Reason. You are welcome. In this lesson, we will be doing something like this. Okay, so we will be working on the foundation of this 8-story building. Okay, and so due to the soil incapacity to be able to withstand this floating raft, and so we will be adding a 5 number of piles to the foundation so as to help the building stability. Okay, and so we will be learning how to apply a pile to the raft foundation, as in using this raft slab as a pie cap. Okay, that is what we will be learning in this lesson. So at the end of the lesson, we will be having something of this kind. Okay, you can see the pile. The depth of this pile is 15 meter, okay, into the earth. All right, and then the thickness of this the raft is 500 okay, thickness. All right, carrying this 6-story 8 stories building. Okay, so we'll be doing something like this. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you do so that you will not miss any of the advanced lessons of this kind. Okay, so let's start. What we will have to do is we will click to on the file, and then we will select this one. Okay, we will click on yes. Alright, so you navigate to the 3D, just like this. Alright. Alright, so before we continue, you just take a minute to look at other videos that I had on this channel. Okay, so for quick access to my channel, you just have to launch your Google Chrome. Okay, so you can search here. Okay, www.youtube.com/c/softreason100. Okay, and then you search, enter. Alright, this will take you directly to my channel. Okay, where you have other video lesson. Okay, you can see various video lesson. Okay, where you can learn more new thing, and don't forget to click on this subscribe button. Okay, you click on the subscribe button to subscribe so that you will not miss any upload of advanced lesson on this channel. There are other lessons on this channel that if you check my videos at this point, you will see various lessons. Okay, so you can't just log in and be able to get important lessons, okay, that will actually guide you on Protastructure and other software programs. Okay, so alright, don't forget to click on the subscribe this red subscribe button so that you will not miss any lesson. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so in this lesson we'll be looking at the foundations just as we have said earlier. Okay, so we quickly navigate to the plan view. Okay, and then we'll go to the foundation. All right, so these structures have been analyzed successfully. Okay, so what we are looking at is the foundations. So we want to use raft foundation to carry 5 piles. Okay, 5 piles of length 15 meter. Okay, due to the soil conditions of this particular property. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be doing an offset of 1000 millimeter from this point outside and outside. So let's just do that quickly. Okay, so we click on this grid line A, all right, and then you will right click and then click on offset it, move it upside, and then you will type 1000. Okay, just like this, you click enter. So you have it here, you escape, and then you did the same thing here. Okay, 1000. Okay, this way. You tap 1000 just like this and click on enter. All right, so you have it here, this one. Okay, the 15th. Okay, just take note of it so that you're not confused between this one and this one. Okay, it's the 15th. Okay, so we do the same thing there. All right, so we click on this, right click, and we'll move your cursor downward. Okay, and then you have your negative 1000. Okay, this is 1000 mm. All right, having it as the J. Okay, right, so we'll do the same thing here. Okay, click here, right click, and then offset 1000. Okay, just like this. All right, so we're having this one to be 16th. Okay, all right, so the next thing we have to offset, because we want to fix one of the pile here, this point. We have one at this point, we have one at this point, we have one somewhere here, and here, then this place we have one pile here. Okay, so we'll move one of these, we'll offset one of these lines to a distance of 2 meters somewhere here. Okay, this point, and then we will click. So we are having pile here, this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Okay, all right, so the next thing we will do is we are going to install the slab, but by then we'll save the project just like this. Alright, so after saving the project, you click on the slab. Okay, so in this case we'll be using a slab thickness of 550 for our pipe cap. Okay, this is what we'll be using for our pipe cap. Then the cover will be using 100. Okay, so you go to load, and then you are going to use a lower slab. Okay, just like this. Then we'll be looking at, this is a commercial building. Okay, we'll be using this. Okay, for it. All right, so that is what we need to set for now. We use the suction point. Okay, and then we use pick axis. Okay, so the first thing we will do, we offset this side. We will click on this first one. Okay, and this one, the second one, 15th. Okay, and then the J, click on this one. Okay, and then the 16th, this one, click on this one, and then finally click on the I. Okay, this one, to insert the slab. Okay, so you can see the rough slab has been inserted successfully. Okay, so you click on you close this one, delete this axis, and you close this one. You can move this slab label to the center by using this point. Okay, this point, you click it and click on update. It is now at the center. Okay, and then you click on OK. All right, so The next thing we will be doing is we'll be inserting our strips, okay, slab strips, okay. So for us to do that, click on the slab strips. All right, so since we are dealing with floating raft, where we'll be using a finite element strips, okay. So you click here and you select this, the finite element strips, and come to this point and activate this one, okay. So we are moving in the x direction for now, okay. So you now have to pick this point. We'll pick this point, okay. Pick this point and this point, and then we'll pick this point, okay, and this point. All right, so we will be extending this, but by then let's go back and then activate y directions and also pick this point, and this point, okay. And then we'll pick this point, this one, and this one, just like this, okay. So after which we will be extending this to get to this point, okay, and extend this to get to this point. Now for us to do that, we will be looking at going left. First of all, close this, okay, and then you do dimension, okay. Do dimension just like this. You click at this point to dimension this place. Yes, you will notice you have 4975, okay, this side, and this side we are taking it to this point. This side we have 365, 4975, 365, okay. So you escape it, okay. Then you click here, right click, and then click on property, okay. We have one direction 4975. Click on update, okay. Then I have 365 6, okay. So 365 3, okay. I use 50. All right, so we can go by that, all right, in that directions, okay. Close this. All right, so we'll dimension this one. So you right click on measure, click on this point to this point. You have 3213, okay, 3213 this way, and then this way we have 5387, 3213 and 5387, okay. So you click on it, and then here we have 3213, okay. Another side is this side that we have 3213, okay, just like this. Click on. All right, then this one is 50. Close it and check it again. You do measure, and this is the point from here to here. You have 5387, okay. So you escape, and then you go to property. So we'll be having here to be 5318. So just like this, okay. All right, so we click on update and closed, okay. So just like this, and then we'll look at the horizontal. We are extending this one to this point and up to this point, okay. So what we need to do is we will do dimension again, sorry, dimension, check this point and this point. You have 3825, 4786, 3825, 4786, okay. Go to property, 3 at 35. Click on update. Another site 3 at 5. Just like this, and this side will be 4 7 8 6. Okay, all right, so click on update and then you closed. Okay, all right, so this one you do the same thing there. Click on it and then first know the dimension. Okay, just like this point to this point you have 2443 and 3046. 2443 3046. Okay, so click on property and then you have this side 2443 and 3046. Okay, just like that. Okay, so closed this. All right, after which you save the project. Okay, just like this. All right, so after saving the project, you will be instructing the pile, okay, before running analysis. Okay, so what you need to do is you click on this slab. Okay, just like this. Once you click on it, you right click and then you click on insert pile. Okay, just like this. Once you click on that, what you need to do is you now look at the point where we are going to insert this pile. Like this point, we have one here. Okay, so you insert it here, just like this. This point. Okay, yeah, click on it. All right, then the length will be 15 meter, and then the pile diameter. Okay, pile diameter D will be 250. Okay, 250. Want to make it 300. Okay, just like this. Okay, so that is the setting. All right, click on OK. This is the pile has been inserted here, pile 1. Okay, so you escape it and then you click on the slab again. All right, you are click again and insert again. At this time we are going to put it at this point. Since the figures are the same, just click on OK to insert it. Okay, it's now inserted. Escape. All right, and then you click on the right again, right click. Okay, click on insert, then click on this point. All right, click on OK to insert it. This is pile number 2. Okay, the next one is this point. All right, so you click on the slab again, you right click. Okay, and then you click on insert pile. You click on this point. Okay, and then click on OK. Alright, so you have pile number 3. Okay, another one is this point. Okay, so you select this slab. Okay, right click and then click on insert. Okay, at this point, this time click on it. Okay, and then you click on OK to insert it. The next one we are going to insert it here at this column point. Okay, so you escape. All right, I click on this point, right click and then click on insert. Okay, so you will click on the point of intersections. Okay, this point, click on it. All right, and then you click on OK. Okay, you escape. Having this line at this point. Okay, so you click on the slab, you right click and click on this point, okay, to extract it. This pile number 5. Alright, so we have successfully extracted the pile. Okay, so what we need to do now is to carry out the analysis, okay, and design. Okay, so you click on save to save the project first. Alright, so after saving the project, you can now navigate to the 3D. Let's see the project in the 3D. Okay, so you see it looks like this. Okay, alright, so the next thing we need to do is to carry out the analysis. Alright, so you will now navigate to the story 0, again the plan view. Alright, just like this, you go to your analysis, click on FE raft foundations. Okay, analysis, just like this. Alright, so you check this, ignore the bearing capacity of the soil, you check this one, click the FC sections, remove this one, we are not using beam at the ground, use this. Okay, and after which you click on check the material for the slab, you check it. So we will make it Y20 in case of eventuality. You can select this for our designs and Y25. Okay, because the loads coming on the foundation is much. Okay, so you click on okay. Alright, so after this is done, we will check the foundations as well, the rebar here. Okay, I will have 20, or can also check 25. Okay, in case of necessity, click on OK. Alright, so you click on OK again, and then you click on raft foundation match and analysis, just like this. Alright, so you have something like this. Okay, you can see the pi point 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, yeah, just like this. Okay, so we want to generate model, so we'll reduce our plate number to 500 for precision sake. Okay, click on this. Alright, so after model is being generated, okay, so we will now have to close this to transfer, perform FE slab analysis. Okay, wait for some time. Finite element slab analysis in progress. Okay, it's just completed. Okay, transferring the pile result. Okay, check, look at it here, it's transferring the pile result. Said we should wait. Okay, alright, so analysis is successful. Okay, you can see pile result report. Okay, so you can check the pile results. Okay, before you actually proceed, or you can click here to run the design. Click on this analysis post processing. Alright, so we'll be having this. Okay, you can see the loads that is coming to the foundations, okay, from the structure. Okay, so this is our strips, okay, that we drawn. You can see x1, x2, y1 and y2. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, you can check the animations. Okay, so this is the behavior of this. Okay, just write this. You can see the behavior of the foundation based on the applied load. Okay, so you click on this to stop that. All right, so